Here at the North Kensington Centre, we've just invested a total of £32 million in this particular centre, along with a £14 million centre renovation and an extension rebuild. It's a really exciting place to come and study. New purpose-built science labs, new purpose-built data and IT labs. The great thing about studying in a college such as this one, and in particular at this centre, is whatever your previous attainment as a young person, so whatever your education journey, your school journey so far, there will be an open door for you to study with us at an entry level, level 1, level 2, level 3, in a broad range of curriculum, but we're specialising here in North Kensington for skills development. So courses in the digital world, IT, also in business, in health, education, science, early years, childcare, but also in music performance and music technology. So we run a range of courses for adults, a really broad range. In essential skills, that's English, maths, English for speakers of other languages, and essential digital skills. And we encourage students who are taking an ESOL program, for example, to also take on a program in maths or a program in essential digital skills. Because digital skills are an absolute essential now for us to operate in the world. We run adult courses in our health, education, science area, in business, in a range of IT courses. We also run courses in the arts, but in specialist arts here, so in jewellery design, in glass design, in ceramics, working with teachers who are also practitioners in those fields. Our journeys are not linear. They have bumps in the road, they have left turns, they have right turns. So education is consistent throughout all of those non-linear journeys. If you leave school at 16, work, and then decide to come back later, there is something for you to study here. We run a range of access into university courses where we have a lot of students who 25, 35, 45 years old suddenly decide they want to retrain to be a nurse, a midwife, a paramedic, and that journey starts here. It's also a really welcoming environment where you have people who really understand what it means to start again, what it means to come back into a place of education. That might feel challenging at first, so there might be a non-accredited or an entry-level program, and you can begin to build to a higher level program to develop those skills for work.